Good morning. Today I have to go to the immigration to get my ID card. So I will be coming to school just a little bit later. In the meantime, this is what I ask you guys to do. I want you to go to the computer lab with Mr. Nova. And I want each one of you to sit next to a computer. And I'm gonna give you now the instructions for 3 little assignments that I ask you guys to finish before our next class. Now you have plenty of time in this class to finish them all. If you need a little bit more time, please take this time and do it at home. I remind you, there are other assignments that we did in our previous week, in our previous classes. Some of you have sent them to me, others forgot. If you have forgotten to send me your previous assignments, please do that when you get home. So this is what I want you guys to do today. We're going to talk about the fable of the goat, this story that you have watched at home. And this is what I want you guys to do. I want you to please go to this address, https, alright? This one. Pay attention. This is a capital C, right? Lowercase I, capital F, right? 130. Please, exactly like that, right? It's a very short one. You write it right here in your address bar, right? And we get to this form. And I want you to please fill in this form. Now, this assignment is about values, valores. At any point, if we get to a word that you don't understand, please use your computer, go to a dictionary and look it up. Please write your name. And please choose the grade in which you're at. You guys are 5th graders. We're going to rank, we're going to order the values according to you. Each and every one of you, individually. What do you think from these 5 values, caring, family, faith, freedom, and loyalty, which is number 1? Which is the most important? Do you think family is the most important than all? Give it number 1. Choose another one to give the second place to, okay? There can't be any 2 values with the same rank. Can't be 2 that rank number 2. Can't be that all are as equally as important. You guys need to choose. If you think family is not important or less important than others, give it number 4, number 5, right? Freedom is the most important to you, that's fine, give it number 1, right? So in this one, the first one, you rank the values according to you, to what you think personally. Read the example right here if you need another explanation. Now, next step is to think about the values in the story, the fable of the goat. This story about the father and the son and the goat that takes the son to the land of Israel. You remember the story, right? If you don't, go back, listen to the story again. According to the story, which is the most important value? Which comes next? Now, the actions the characters are taking, the decisions, are based on the values. They are deciding, according to the actions or by the actions, which values comes first. Which is the most important value in this story? It's faith, because the boy decides not to go back to his father. The Shabbat comes, and he cannot go back, if he would have come back, if he would have walked back to his father, he would have broken the law of God. In this story, the law of God, faith in the laws of God, is the most important. Family comes next, or comes somewhere else, okay? You will rank according to your understanding of the story, which are the most important values in this story. Which comes first? Which comes second? According to the story. Okay? First one is your opinion. Second one is according to the story, the fable of the goat. Now, third and last assignment for today is this one. Please write a story. I want a story that you invent, an original story about values. In the story, the fable of the goat, there are competing values, very important values that are in a competition. The character, the hero, must decide between two values, super important ones. Which for him is the most important, which conquers all, and he makes a decision. This is what makes this story interesting. Now I want another interesting story, but this time from you. You choose your most important values and show me in a story a hero that needs to decide between the two. If it's love and freedom, show me how these two must be chosen between. Okay? Choose your most important values and show me in a story how a hero chooses between them. Once you're done, please click on submit and I will receive your answer. Okay? If you're not done, if our time is done and you're still writing, submit and you will have the chance to continue editing later. Okay? Alright guys, see you later. Have fun.